Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tip PowerEgg tutorial video. What I'm going to talk to you about today is our base station. This is your Wi-Fi connection from the base station to the PowerEgg. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through this. I'll just tell you all the features on this, which it's really a simple, easy thing. Most drones have this unless you have a built-in system, but 90% of the drones don't. So using the base station and mobile device holder is a really great way to view your footage and make sure that you're having a safe flight. So what we'll go into first is the power button. The power button is right here on the top. You're gonna hold that down for roughly 3 seconds. Once you see the green light flash on, it means that your base station is on and ready to be hooked up. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cable. You're gonna go ahead and find the port on the side of the base station. Go ahead and plug that in to the cable, or the cable into the base station. Then you're gonna slide this onto the sleeve here of the remote. It slides on real simple. Boom, you're on. Now you're gonna take this cable and plug it into the back of your remote while turning your remote on at the same time. So now you're gonna wait for these two things to connect. You're gonna wanna have your antennas out and up. I usually take them to the side just a tiny tad bit, but I like to either have them straight up or just out here to the side, depending on which way I'm flying. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to put the phone inside the base station. You're gonna go ahead and take this top flap, push it up, take the bottom flap, push it down, and go ahead, take your phone, slide it down in there, and now you're ready to fly. It's a real nice, easy, relatively lightweight holding for this particular remote. It's really simple, easy to use. You could also even take this bottom tab out right here if you were going to use say a tablet such as a iPad or any kind of Android tablet. This is also available. You just take this out, push this down, and then your tablet would go right inside here. So that's not a problem. Go ahead and push these things back in. Push that down like so. Push this back in, slide it up, like that. And that's pretty much it. The base station is a really simple process. You have your battery indicator, you have an image transmitting signal indicator, which is here on the top. You have your power switch, you have the cell phone connection bracket, which is here. You have your tablet connection bracket, which is down here at the bottom. You have a USB port on the side here, and that's for charging the USB, which comes with a cable. You can go ahead and just plug this thing in right here and plug it into any computer or any kind of wall outlet that you have to charge your base station, or you can charge it in the all-in-one charging system that we have that we'll talk about a little bit later. The last thing you also have here is one micro USB port. So you have a true USB and a micro. So that is the base station in all its glory. Stay with us. We'll come back to another video. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.